Hi everyone, this is my honest review of Haier Series 5 washing machine after 6 months of use, and I will tell you why you should or should not buy this machine, so please watch this whole video. Well, I bought this Haier washing machine Series 5 about 6 months ago, and I use it almost every day. Today I'm going to show you the cycle of washing dark clothes. So first let's load this machine. So first we open the drum, you can see, and now let's load some dark clothes in. Okay, now after we load this clothes, close up the door, and it's time to put liquid detergent for dark clothes. Before you do that, you need to fold this flap so liquid detergent doesn't go before it is needed. First, add 1 cup of liquid detergent here. Now add second cup here. This is the pre-wash. And now add this fabric softener. Okay, close this tray and push the power button here. It is best you have various programs you can see here. All kind of programs you can all adjust by yourself. You can use the length, temperature, speed, steam, extra rinse, eye time. But when I was using this machine, I think the best way to use it is choose this AI icon and press this button here. Okay. First, now machine rotates in one direction and weights the clothes. With this weighting, it determines how long this cycle will be and what is the time to wash the clothes. Very, very simple and effective. So, in 6 months of use, we use this machine in our household every day. Now the machine is adding water, so it is a little loud, so I will wait. Okay, we use this machine every day. When the machine starts spinning, you can see inside, it is very quiet. It is loud only when machine is adding water, but when running, it is pretty quiet. You can see how this clothes is tumbling in. It is very satisfying to see this blue LED light. After some time, this light is turned off, so you cannot see it anymore. But after the machine finishes its cycle, the LED light is turned on again. This is the sound when machine is normally working during the washing cycle. It is pretty quiet, it is not loud at all. Only when machine is adding new water, you can hear a little louder sound. This is the part when machine is speeding up. This is a full speed and it is not loud at all. Now you can hear the sound of full speed. Well, now the cleaning cycle is over. We can open this. You cannot feel it, but I can. Laundry is smelling very nice. I must say the good sides of this washing machine are large drum. It has huge load capacity. It is very quiet and effective. It has this sleek and modern design. Great features to choose from. It also has some small downsides. The biggest downside is poor connectivity. I wasn't able to connect it with my app. I have a constant problem with that, but I don't even use it because it is so simple to use. You just push the button, select AI mode, and the AI does all the job. Another little problem is you can see that here sometimes it leaves some detergent residue, but that is a just minor problem. That is more for regular maintaining. Also here you must clean this part because sometimes remains some residue, but that is also regular thing. So I will definitely recommend this Haier washing machine. It is best buy for its price. It has long and great guarantee depending on the country where you in. In my country it is 7 years. It is great, unmatched guarantee, so go for it and buy it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.